is brought to you live from Washington, D.C., where we are now in a police state, a state of the Popo, the District of Popo. This is an emergency broadcast since today, the 47th president said that this is his house. The Diamond District, the 202, don't belong to you. They belong to him. So, I say don't drink and drive because, matter of fact, don't even drive. If you could walk your errands, if you can bike them, just do that. When you're driving, do 10 and 2 because as of today, the federal government has taken over the Metropolitan D.C. Department in Washington, D.C. It's not even it's very much on some, this shit ain't happened before. So this is on some authoritarian rule. And don't get me wrong, I have my mixed opinions about this, but I'm just saying, y'all out there, be safe. The silly shit you did on the 4th of July, or the silly shit you might have done, I don't know, Memorial Day, or maybe you might have done something a little risky the other day. Don't do that today if it's not mission critical. Because DC has a lot of agencies out there, and I'm here to say I don't think they're really playing around. I think they're gonna target those who fit the profile first, and then there's gonna be a lot of spillover, just to let their presence be known. Whether you did it, whether you didn't do it, whether you kind of did it, let's see your ID, let's run your files. Can you step out the car? There's going to be a lot of that going on. And, man, what a different day and time we're in now in Washington, D.C.